This Gotham Steel 2PC non-stick frying pan set is a simple addition to any kitchen. It includes a small 5.5-inch pan and a useful 9-inch pan. These are the basics for cooking eggs and smaller meals. The non-stick surface aims to make cooking easier, so food should slide right off. Cleaning up looks easy because food doesn't stick. The Gotham Steel 2PC non-stick pans are oven-safe. This adds to their usefulness in the kitchen. You can start cooking on the stove and finish in the oven. They are also dishwasher safe, which can save time after cooking. The pans are made to be non-toxic, which is a good thing for your health. This Gotham Steel 2PC non-stick set tries to offer convenience for everyday cooking. These frying pans are reviewed as a practical set for simple cooking tasks. They might not be the most beautiful pans, but they focus on being functional. The non-stick bottom is a key feature for easy cooking and cleaning. If you need a basic set of non-stick skillets without any exaggeration, this could be a choice. It's a straightforward option for your daily cooking initiatives. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick frying pans, skillet set, oven safe, non-toxic, dishwasher safe 5.5-inch pan, 9-inch pan, egg frying pan, easy to clean. Cons: may scorch at high heat, uneven heating possible, handles may get hot, not ideal for all stoves, cleaning can be tough, durability is questioned, coating may chip, peel, customer service issues, false non-stick claims, scratches easily. Features: non-stick, 2 pieces 5.5-inch pan, 9-inch pan, egg pan, skillet set, oven safe, non-toxic, dishwasher safe, frying pans. This Gotham Steel set has 2 non-stick frying pans. One small, 5.5 inches, for eggs and one medium, 9 inches, for other foods. These pans are designed so food won't stick, making cooking and cleanup easy. They can even go in the oven and dishwasher, and they are made without harmful chemicals. This set of non-stick skillets is a simple way to cook without using a lot of oil. This Gotham Steel set includes 5.5-inch and 9-inch non-stick frying pans that are oven and dishwasher safe, and made with non-toxic materials. These pans are designed for easy cleaning and claim to have a non-stick surface ideal for eggs. However, some users have reported issues such as potential for scorching at high heat, uneven heating, handles getting hot, and limitations with certain stove types. Additionally, there are concerns about the durability of the non-stick coating, which may chip or peel, and some customers have experienced difficulty with cleaning and questioned the accuracy of the non-stick claims and the product's resistance to scratches.